Anybody hungry? Yes, sir. Today we have the Social Status Nike Mid Dunks. I never heard of a mid dunk. I don't know, man. But I want to give you an in-depth review of this sneaker, man. It's so dope, man. The detailing, all that. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. All that stuff the YouTubers say, please do. It does help with the channel. I don't know, man, but on first glance, these sneakers here gave me these vibes. Yes, sir. And these right here are the Concept Nike SB Dunk High Turkadon, Mastodon, something like that. And maybe they only give me the same vibes because they're both SBs and they both deal with food. Yeah, so you got free lunch, you got Thanksgiving. Let's get back to the video. So the box alone makes you probably want to purchase this sneaker. I know people say you can't wear the box, but we all love presentation, especially here at Sneaker Notes. So on the side panel of the box here, you have the nutrition facts, milk carton style. And also, if you remember back in school when they used to give you milk, sometimes it will have like a crossword puzzle or a puzzle where you gotta, you know, the maze, the puzzle maze. That's here. Very dope. Also on the box, you got like lift up here, lift up here, and right here you got to open, and then right here you have the expiration date, and that is so dope. As the expiration date reads fall 2021, because that's kind of when these sneakers dropped, even though they dropped like a week before fall, but you get it. And then finally at the top, you got Nike Social Status. Now, you know the box is dope when we spent about 3 minutes on the box. Let's get into the sneakers. Nike Dunk Free Lunch. And off the bat, what made me want to buy this sneaker when I first saw the photos was this swoosh. This swoosh is perfect, man. As it give you like that strawberry Nesquik milk. Give me a thumbs up if y'all remember Nesquik strawberry. That is the vibes you get from this. You can also get like a pink Starburst look. See, the free lunch sneaker just got you thinking about food, man. The toe box and around the toe box is in that velour material. Very soft, juicy guitar vibes. Very soft, man. Definitely going to be hard to maintain, but man, so soft. Around the toe box, you got like a nice, I want to say maybe like brushed leather, because it does have that nubuck feeling, but that's a perfect chocolate look, guys. And one of my favorites of any Nike is a mini swoosh. That's what made me love the Sean Wotherspoon, the mini swoosh. And then after you get the chocolate hits, this blue at the bottom is so clean. And you know, a lot of y'all sneakers of the years is that color. Whether you going with the University blue, the Hyper Royal blue, is this color. That perfect swoosh goes all the way around to the insole. And then that's when you get some wording here. No wording there, the word's on the inside. And the wording is ingredients. Nike Sportswear, Social Status, Milky, TPU, Gel Swoosh, Wild Wild Velvet, Diffused Nubuck. You see, I told you, it could be brushed leather or nubuck, but it's nubuck. And the round twisted poly laces. We'll get into the laces in a minute, but what I just read is right there. Now, to the laces. Comes included with a chocolate milk brown pair. As you see these laces here, it has that rope look, a la the Cactus Jacks a little bit. The Cactus Jacks are a little thicker and harder. These are more soft. As you can see, a little more soft. But yeah, it has the twisted rope look. I wouldn't be mad with any colorway. I mean, I like the twisted rope look. You don't need the brown on the brown, but to each his own. The tongue here is also velvet or velour, and it's giving me Nike, what it was, ceramic vibes. As it's that same color orange, and then you add the green to it. And as you look at, well, as I was talking about green, the Nike ticket here looks like the free lunch ticket you used to have to give the cafeteria lady to get your food. Very dope, man. It also comes with like a, I want to say like a bag to keep going with the free lunch theme. And the bag reads the same thing as the box. Nike, Social Status. And they got the two logos put together there. To open on both sides. Now I'm gonna keep it all the way honest with you guys, man. I brought Jordan 6 Social Statuses, and I wasn't gonna do Social Status ever again, man. I did keep them sneakers for a little while, hoping they would raise in price, but that sneaker was not hideous. I just feel like it shouldn't have had the pony here. If it was just the black with the purple, I get it. But man, if this is a vengeance, they nailed it, man. This swoosh alone with the soft push is too dope. Again, I never heard of a Nike Dunk mid, but I ain't bad. I think if it was a low, it would definitely be up there in the price range with the Ben & Jerry, Travis Scott, Sean Cliver joint. I think the mid is the reason why the price ain't really where it should be. As far as quality control, I did have some glue stains. As you can see on this swoosh here, you see how the threading is sticking out already, and the glue stain right there, the brown part. So they kind of probably was rushed because shipping took a long time anyway, maybe like a week and a half. Not as bad as Undefeated Dunks, but the shipping took a while too, man. But overall, man, this is a dope sneaker, dope theme. I know I compared it to the Turkey Dunkin', Turkey Dawns. But it's not even close, man. This may be one of the sneakers of the year, top 5. Forget about resale price. I'm talking about looks, theme, execution, the way they came, the box. Man, I like the sneaker, man. I hope y'all was able to cop if you wanted them. Let me know in the comment section below if you copped or not. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody get rich.